Good morning, Philippines!
You both lie down. You both lie down. Ay, nako. He's so spoiled. Hingi ng pagkain kay Tommy, guys. Spoiled. That's what happened when you spoiled your kids. and he keep robbing. And... Say that. Asking for food. It's dinner soon. Food. Kasi medyo tayo. Nope. Naps. I can't wait for the time to stop. He's spoiled boy. Slow down. You want to get along with him? Hey, okay, nakatulog ako dito, guys. Katulog ako, yung laptop ko dito. Kinuha ni Tommy. And hinabulan ako. Ay, itong cellphone ni Tommy. Yan. Ang pakiramdam ko talaga. Iwan ko na lang. Ay, nako! Let's say kung umulan. Mag-barbecue tayo. Lalabas lang ako, guys, para grill. Grill tayo, mag-grill.
Not touching your underwear.
He keep washing. Oh my God.
The clothes have to get done.
I need to tell him to just don't wash.
Not touching your freaking underwears. I'll dump them out.
Tommy. God. Shit. Ay, naku. Tingnan mo, guys. Hindi
Inside out clothes.
hindi mapalagay kung hindi mag-laundry. Nako,
Everything's inside out. Everything.
Han, can you be a laundry boy? Like we have to build a washing machine in the Philippines. Maybe that's gonna be our good business, and you wash ladies' underwear. Ay! Bruh!
Oh, look, panties.
Oh my God. Tingnan ito tao to. That's it na. Enough na, please. Enough na.
Not enough. Full loads. Full loads.
I think yun yung business namin sa Pilipinas, guys. If we live in the Philippines, we're going to build a, how do you call that?
Laundromat.
Laundromat. And that's he's gonna do.
I'm going to put a sign on the door that says, your clothes have to be right side, no inside out crap. So annoying.
That's it, hon.
Not it.
God. We're going to leave the Philippines, guys. We sell this house and live in the Philippines. Ay, nako. Don't touch my undies. Nako, pagkagahig ulo ba ya? That's it na. Yeah, that's it. Laundry boy. Yeah, that's laundrying. And me, nako talagang buhay na to. Ito yung napakagandang pag may porch na may atop, bubong. Kasi kapag umulan, kahit umulan, may maano ka pa, may magawa ka.
What? I know.
You should read the text. Ito na yung chicken natin, guys. Ito na siya. Hopefully masarap. Mga pataka. Seasoning. Hintayin ko lang tong talaga yung talagang ano na siya.
Yeah, come on, Jim. Come on. Come on. Now the question is, do you want the Caesar dressing or you want the, like just oil and vinegar?
The same thing what you did the last time. Healthy dinner, guys.
Which you can put in the refrigerator.
Kung mag-grill ka, lalo't real na yung kayo, is ano siya, yung sunog-sunog konti, masarap yun kasi. Yun, meron dito mainit pa, kakaano ko lang, kasi 2 beses akong nag-grill, kasi hindi siya kasya, kasi yung grill namin is sobrang liit, di ba Han? Wala ko lang alam sa mga sinasabi ko. That's good. This is our dinner, guys. Chicken and salad. Healthy tayo, ha? Healthy dinner. Tomorrow, bacon. Tomorrow, bacon. I forgot napkins. You know, yung napkin ba? You know what is napkin in the Philippines? Pads. I call it napkin.
How many portions do you want?
Nagdubli-dubli man tayo, Han. Nagdubli, Han. Okay, guys, we're going to have dinner. It's already 6:47 ng gabi. Let's eat. Masama pakiramdam namin, kaya ito na lang. Bukas na naman, guys, mag-grill na naman tayo yung paa ng drumstick. Kasi marinated yun. Sarap yun talaga, guys. As yun talaga, guys. Yun is gonna be really spicy. Hopefully, spicy siya. So, ito yung dinner natin. Salad and chicken. Yan. Thank you, B-boy.
Yes. Rox, you're under my seat.
You under my pajama. You know, I like salad. You put salt. They don't ever salt, but if you put salt,
Some people do.
it's good. It's not a lot. It's just like a little, you know, for taste. You know.
You might want to add some oil and vinegar to it, but
You want it closer to you? You think I will survive eating salad? You think I can survive? I can survive, but probably my mind and my heart is crying. Sadness. Looking for rice. It's good, Han. Salad is good, baby. Chicken to baby, egg. It's nice the chicken and salad together, honey.
Caesar salad, they call it chicken Caesar salad.
Yeah. Yeah, an egg, right? You put egg.
Cobb salad.
That's a different one? Sarap. Ito, guys. Listen to this, guys. Crotons. My husband is kind of weird. This is ASMR, Han. Kakain ako ng ice cream, guys. Tignan nyo si Roxy nasa labas. Tinitignan niya ako. Okay, guys, bigyan natin si Roxy, okay? Sit up lang natin siya. Okay, I want you to sit up. Right here, right here. Sit up. Sit up properly. Right here. Come right here. Right here. Sit. Roxy, sit. Sit up. Sit up. Yeah. You.
When their sensitive skin runs into messy stains, you can count on All Free Clear.
Sit up.
The #1 doctor-recommended brand for sensitive skin, tough on stains, and 100% free of perfumes
Huh?
and dyes. Try All Free Clear, the #1 detergent brand for sensitive
Huh?
skin. Hi, yeah. There's a reason one serum is sold every minute. Revitalift hyaluronic acid serum with our highest concentration of hyaluronic acid.
Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. We're just watching all the mommies. What is the name?
Crazy mommy movies.
Crazy mommy movies, all about mommy that is with Cray. And we're going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you guys tomorrow.
Bye guys. Have a
Bye.
good night. Stay safe.
Bye guys. Night. It's freezing outside and it's still raining, right? I feel bad with my littles out there in Buktoy. Yeah, the littles so grown really good. Anyway, guys, good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night. Nood lang kami ng mga crazy mommy.